Hello guys, welcome back to Oceanary TV, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're already subscribed to this YouTube channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for clicking to view this video. I really appreciate it. So today we're going to be doing Turkish testing test, and some of you might have known that I'm studying currently in North Cyprus, which is close to Turkey, and most of the snacks are similar together. So today I'll be testing some snacks that I've not tried. Guys, I've not tried. Some I tried, but this one I've not tried some of it. So stay tuned to see my reaction. I don't know what this is. Ogo Pongo. I don't know if you can see this. Ogo Pongo, like a punda. Yeah. Then we have Love Lights. I think it's strawberry and marshmallow. Yeah, Love Light Sarah. Okay, we have Doritos shot, which is taco. Maybe you're familiar with taco, but it's Turkish taco. Then these wraps. There are actually two types, 5 types of these. I've tasted the pepper, then the paprika, sorry, then this the cheese flavor. Then we have the power nut. I think it's basically chocolate with nuts. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Okay, this is morning coffee. Dovin morning coffee sweet. So basically that's all we're going to be trying, guys. So that's all we're going to be trying. Excuse me. Okay. So, a little something about Turkey. Turkish are Middle Eastern Arabs. They are known for their beauty, their language is Turkish or Kurdish, and basically they are very nice people. They are not too racist, but at the same time they are actually racist. You can't say they're not racist, but it's not obvious like other Middle East countries. So Turkish are Middle Eastern Arabs. Yeah. So let's try Ogo Gig. I wonder what it tastes like. Wow, this is so cute. Guys, look this. Look at this. This is not cute. Okay. So let me see how this tastes. I think it's just like cupcake. Yeah, I'll say cupcake, like, because of the texture is soft. Like basically cupcake. So this is cupcake shaped as a punda, and it's really lovely. It has some fluffy and yummy taste. It's nice. So the next one I'm going to be tasting is Love Light. I don't know if you can see what I'm trying to, and the lighting is not good yet, so I'm so sorry guys. So this is how it looks like. I think, yep. Wow, this is cute. So guys, I'm trying not to stain myself. This is how it looks like. It's so cute. I think it's like chocolate and strawberry. But let me taste and see how this looks like. If it's going to be as tasty as how cute it is. Like it has this coffee taste to it. It's not soft, it's too sugary. So the next one I'm going to be testing is Doritos. So guys, what do you think? Like, I've never thought about doing this, like just going somewhere and buying some stuff because you need to test it for the viewers, or do you think this kind of video is a waste of time? Let me know in the comment section. So this is how it looks like inside. This how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So I'm going to be testing this. This is a no. It's crunchy. It's not even that hot. The road paprika, it's not that hot. It's crunchy. I don't think I will ever buy this anymore. Yeah, so that's a no for me. So the next is power nuts. I think I'm going to love it because I love nuts. Everything nuts. I'm a fan of nuts. So let's try these. I'm so sorry guys if my face, if I'm looking here or looking here. I'm new to facing the camera, or check when I'm not using my camera or my phone. This is lovely. Guys, this is nice. Like, it's actually, if you're in US or anywhere you have, and I think some caramel, yeah. So this is very lovely. I'm going to rate this 10/10. I'm rating this 9/10. 2/10 because it's crunchy and some people may like crunchy things. So this is going to be like 5/10, yeah. A glass of water. Okay. Next is Donya Peneri. If you're a YouTuber or you school in Turkey or Cyprus, you'll be used to this, or a black in Turkey or Cyprus, or a foreigner here, or you're actually a Turkish person, this is one of that delight, and it's so yummy, and it's not too sugary, it's not too sweet, it's just like, it's okay if you want to lose weight or you're a diabetic patient. I think this is a go-go for it too. Already this one 8/10, yeah. 8/10 because I still prefer this over it. So last but not the least, the last one to taste, guys, morning coffee. I don't know, am I boring? Like, weird to be talking to the phone, like you're speaking to camera and nobody's looking at you. But I know that you guys are going to watch this video. I don't know if I'm actually bored or if I'm boring you guys, but bear with me. As time goes on, the channel is going to be more fun because I'll be going out, vlogging out, challenges, prank and all. I'm still trying to get my friends to love the idea of bringing them or featuring them on my YouTube, but most of them are just shy and like that, yeah. So this how this looks like. I think I'll give this 10 over 10. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, I'm so grateful, even though my channel or my videos are very short, because I'm trying to see how to get good lighting, vlog, mostly go out, bring new ideas, prank and everything. And I'm so grateful for your support, for those that like my videos, even those that comment wrongly or not. I actually appreciate it, because yeah, the minute you are not watching it, you won't have comment rubbish on my video. So I'm grateful for the bad comment and the good comment. So I really want this channel to go far. I really want you guys to communicate with me. I really want to have a special bonding with my viewers. Let us grow this YouTube channel together. Tell me what you like to see. Tell me the kind of videos you like to watch, and I'm really going to be doing it for you. Like, I'm going to be making it available. So stay tuned to my next video about a get to know me tag. I must have done that in my old video, but that's a long time, maybe like 2 years ago. So I'm going to be doing a new get to know me tag very soon. So if you would like to know things about me, where I came from, the way I speak, my language, am I an African girl or am I a British lady? I know my British, because the way I speak is basically not even from, I was not born in Britain. Just let me know what you like to know, what you like me to post, and I'll appreciate it. Bye.